Namaste everyone. I'm Vasudeva Talakshati. Generations after generations have passed. It has been almost 74 years since we have got our independence. But India is still in the process of developing and we have not attained the title of developed country. Each and every one of you who is watching this video knows the causes. Some of it corruption, poverty, lack of good education with moral values and ethics, environmental problems, overpopulation growth. Yes, some of it cannot be changed, like India's population is huge and we just can't kill people. But some of them can be reformed, but we are not ready to take the action. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which can be reformed, but people are not ready to take the step. That is lack of unity. Before going into the topic, let me narrate you a small story. There was a child. From his childhood, he wanted to serve the nation and he opted to be the soldier. One day, the day had arrived. He passed his NDA exam and at the railway station, he didn't know that he was waving a final goodbye to his family. In the border of Assam, at night, somewhere between 3 o'clock, the terrorist had attacked. Starting 3 members, he had killed them. But the fourth one poured some 20 bullets onto his chest and killed him. The same thing in a second part, if I have to say in a different perspective, then listen. When the terrorist had attacked, let me translate in another language. When the terrorist had attacked, उसने बोला कि नहीं भाई मुझे मत मारो, मेरा घर में मेरा मम्मी पापा है और मेरा परिवार को मुझे देखभाल करना है, तो मुझे मत मारो, मैं ये एड्रेस दे देता हूँ, ये जो एड्रेस दिया हूँ और मुझे छोड़ के कहीं भी किसी को भी मारना है मार दो, कहाँ भी गुस्ताफी करके बॉम्ब डालना डाल दो, पर मुझे मत मारिए और ये जो मैं एड्रेस दे रहा हूँ उनको भी कुछ मत करिए. Does any military or any soldier say this thing? No, right? He serves for his country, for you, for me, for each and everyone who is living in this country. But what are we doing inside our country? Fighting in the name of religion, in the name of caste? Let me say you one thing. How much unity we show in the name of religion. Even if that much of unity we would have shown in the name of our country, then I'm promising each and every one of you who is watching this video that our India would not have been the same. From the past, from the Mughal to Britishers, everyone have ruled our country, and the one thing which we were lacking is lack of unity. Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Kittur Rani Chennamma, so many patriotic freedom fighters have fought. But a question for each and every one of you. From where did the actual national agitation for the country started? Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai fought for the Jhansi. Each and every king fought for their kingdom. Then who fought for the India? If it comes to the formation of Indian National Congress in 1889, it was again in the northern side part, not the southern part. Then where did the national movement start? That is why there was a guy who made all the states come together. His name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. That is why we have a statue of him today, known as Statue of Unity. He made all the states come together. At that period of time, they didn't have anything as an ideal, as a national emblem, national song, national country. They didn't even know what our proper India border was. But at this present situation, each and every one of us know how is our country, what are the borders, what is our national anthem, national flag. We have so many things to get patriotism to our country, but what are we doing? Fighting against each other, showing so much of inequality, having so much lack of unity within each and every one of us. Why? Why each and every one of us you don't want to see the country's people as a country member? If your neighbor comes, you just ask him whether from which state he is, which language he speaks, which caste he is, but you don't even remember that he was born in the same motherland which I was born, and he is an Indian too. Where is the patriotism? When will we unite ourselves? When each and every cooperation of the people to the nation building process matters. I hope that from today, from this moment, you see the Indian people as Indian, and we don't want to get separated again into different states turning into country. Each and every member's cooperation in the nation building process matters.